topic is noun. Okay, we all have been taught from our childhood that noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. But आज हम बहुत आसान तरीके से noun को समझेंगे. If I say everything around us is noun, वो सारी चीजें noun हैं जिन्हें हम देख सकते हैं, which are visible और invisible, जिसे हम देख सकते हैं और नहीं भी देख सकते हैं. But the condition is that they are known by their names. उनके names होने चाहिए. और आप ये अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं कि दुनिया की सारी चीजें जिसे हम देखते हैं, छूते हैं और जिसे हम नहीं भी देखते हैं, we only think about that. They also have their names. Everything is known by their names. तो वे सारी चीजें नाम हैं जिनके नाम होते हैं, जिनके नेम्स होते हैं. Like, what is this in my hand? This is chalk. We have given a word, a name, that is chalk. Chalk is also known. Right now I am teaching you, and who teaches you is known as teacher. Teacher is noun. This is blackboard. A name is given to this board. Board is also noun. Blackboard is also noun. Fan, इसे हम देख सकते हैं, हमने नाम दिया फैन का. Girl, boy, river, watch, mobile. Okay, bed, chair, trees, road, bus, sun, moon, everything जिनके नेम होते हैं वो सारे नाउन्स होते हैं. ओके, सो वी कैन डिवाइड नाउन इनटू टू क्लास. वन इज विजिबल, एंड सेकेंड वन इज इनविजिबल. वे नाउन्स, दोज नाउन्स विच आर विजिबल, जिसे हम देख सकते हैं, और कुछ नाउन्स ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें हम देख नहीं सकते. वी कैन ओनली फील, लाइक नॉलेज. वी आर गेटिंग नॉलेज, बट नॉलेज कैन नॉट बी सीन. वी कैन नॉट टच. देयर इज नो शेप, देयर इज नो कलर ऑफ नॉलेज. विजडम, इफ वन इज वाइज, वी कैन सी, वी कैन चेक, बट वी कैन नॉट सी द शेप और कलर ऑफ विजडम. इंटेलिजेंस, ओके, एंगर, sadness, happiness, beauty. There is no definition of beauty. Beauty is only feeling. Love, care, belief. Okay, these all are invisible. हम देख नहीं सकते हैं, but हम समझ सकते हैं, सोच सकते हैं. If one is angry, what he is feeling? Anger. Okay. If one is suppose that one is intelligent, what he is, he has intelligence. Brave person has bravery. Okay, so these all the term, the thing I can say thing here, which are not visible, which are invisible. So हमने दो कैटेगरी में नाउन को बांटा है. वन इज विजिबल, वन इज इनविजिबल. विजिबल को हम कॉन्क्रीट भी कह सकते हैं. कॉन्क्रीट नाउन्स भी कहते हैं. कॉन्क्रीट नाउन्स में कौन कौन से नाउन्स आते हैं? प्रॉपर नाउन. यू विल सी वन बाय वन. प्रॉपर नाउन. ओके, आई एक्सप्लेन इट लेटर. बट प्रॉपर नाउन्स आर नेम्स ऑफ पर्टिकुलर थिंग और पर्सन और प्लेस. प्रॉपर नाउन विच आर विजिबल. सेकेंड, कॉमन नाउन. कॉमन नाउन. थर्ड इज collective noun. They all are visible. And material noun. They are called concrete noun because they can be touched and they can be seen. Invisible में कौन कौन से nouns हैं? Feelings, emotions, they are not mind. तो to explain, you are writing here. Feelings, emotions, okay, quality. If I say wisdom, we cannot see. Okay, knowledge, we cannot see. In the same way, bravery, poverty, friendship, okay, they all are abstract noun. Only one noun comes under that, that is abstract nouns. And these are examples of abstract nouns. Now let's see one by one common noun and proper noun first. Common nouns which are very common to see. Common to see means जो हमें एक ही नहीं दिखाई देती है, एक से ज्यादा बहुत कॉमनली दिखाई देती है. जैसे टेबल, चेयर, फैन, गर्ल, बॉय, टीचर, स्टूडेंट, स्कूल, हॉस्पिटल्स, cities. Okay, they are very common to see. ये केवल एक ही नहीं होती. But proper noun क्या होती है? Proper nouns are only one thing or one place or one name. Okay, one personality which is not matched with any other thing. Okay. If I say, let's understand with the help of examples. Let me write some names. Sunita, Priya, and suppose that Pooja. These all are names of girls. Okay, they are different girls. One is Sunita, one is Priya, and one is Pooja. जो हर तरह से एक दूसरे से different means in whole the world you will not find this Sunita or this Priya or this Pooja. So in whole the world they are unique. We can say only single thing, single person or single thing we are talking about. यहाँ ये तीनों different personality हैं. तो ये क्या बन गया? ये तीनों names ये बन गया हमारे proper. Okay. Sunita, we are talking. If I say suppose that Sunita is absent today in the class, it means I'm talking about this particular girl. It becomes proper noun. Priya एक different personality है, proper noun. Pooja एक different personality है, particular girl की मैं बात कर रही हूँ. ये क्या बन गया? ये हमारा बन गया proper noun. But you tell me कि what is common? Sunita, Priya, Pooja. Read these names and you tell me what is common in all. That they all are girls. They all are girls. It means these names, they all belong to the class that is girl. Girl is common word shared by all. It means they all are girl. So girl is the name of class. So this is common noun. In the same way, अगर मैं लिखती हूँ suppose that कानपुर, suppose that Delhi, Mumbai. Okay, these are names of cities. They all are different. They all are different. So they belong to proper noun. We can say these are proper nouns because we are talking about particular city. कानपुर कोई और सिटी नहीं है, केवल एक ही सिटी. In the same way, Delhi is only one and Mumbai is also only one. So they all are proper nouns. But what is common in all? Kanpur, Delhi, Mumbai. That they all are names of cities. Names of cities. So इन सारे cities के लिए, places के लिए हमने क्या word commonly लिया? हमने लिया city. So city is common noun. So many cities are there. City is common noun. So many girls are there. So girl is common noun. In the same way, river. So many rivers are there. So river is common noun. But when we talk about Ganga, Ganga is the name of particular river. So Ganga will be proper noun. But if I say river is common noun. So many rivers are there. Okay, if I say Yamuna, suppose that Yamuna is different river and Ganga is also different river, but they both belong to the class river. So river is common noun and Yamuna and Ganga is the name of particular river, so they will be proper noun. Okay, in the same way, if I talk about suppose that, okay, books, so many books are there. Book is common. When we talk about, suppose, the Ramayana, this is only one book which is written by Valmiki ji. So this becomes proper noun. We are talking about particular book, but so many books are there. So we can say proper noun is only one in whole the world, and common nouns are so many. Okay, so many things are there, common noun. In the same way, people, common noun. Things, I have taken so many names, common noun. So which is very commonly seen, that is common noun, and which is only one, that is proper noun. Okay, and one thing you have to keep in mind, that proper nouns are written always with capital letter. If you like my channel, please press the like button, subscribe and share. Thank you.